Hello friends, how are you doing today? Welcome to this channel IELTS WALA. This video is all about the exam review for 4th January IELTS exam, and this video is going to be different from all other review videos because I will show you the pictures, what the exam was, what was the writing task in the exam. It was from Makkar IELTS book. So don't wait, just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to join Makkar group. Link is in the description. Let us start the video about the review. To talk about listening, this time listening was according to our prediction. What we predicted, the same was the listening. The overall level was easy to moderate. Have a look what was the listening actually. In listening part 1, there were 10 questions as usual, and there were two sections in part 1, and in each section there were 5 questions, and that were fill in the blanks with which you have to write no more than one word. So that was all about the part 1. And in part 2 there were 4 multiple choice questions and 6 questions were of map. In this time have 6 questions for 6 marks and 4 multiple choice questions, and in part 3 there were 5 multiple choice questions and 5 questions where you have to choose the correct options from the table. And in part 4 there were 10 in fill in the blanks as usual. Every time there are 10 fill in the blanks in section 4 where you have to write no more than one word. So that was all about the listening. And in reading, the first passage was about farmers and pesticides, and in that passage there were 4 true false not given, plus there were 6 fill in the blanks where you have to write no more than 2 words, and after that there were 3 questions, again the blanks where you have not to write more than 2 words. And in second passage it was about jellyfish, and in that passage there were 4 questions from the information given in passage and 4 questions from the following information for this factor. There were 2 questions total, there were 4 questions, but 2 plus 2 they were separate. And after that there were 5 fill in the blanks where you have to write no more than 2 words. And in third passage there were 7 multiple choice questions. Along with that there were 3 yes, no and not given, and after that there were 4 fill in the blanks from the box where you have to choose the appropriate word from the box and you have to fill that in the blanks. So that were 4 questions in the reading. So far as writing is concerned, in writing task 1 there were 3 pie charts of different types of accommodation chosen by holiday makers from 1988 to 2008. And in writing task 2 it was about a social media topic, and the topic was people use social media to connect with each other for news items. I think it was about to connect with each other and for news items. So you have to do advantages outweighing its disadvantages. So on this we have very easy topic, and we have to describe about social media, that what we do, we can describe about its advantages and then its disadvantages, and we have to outweigh its disadvantages. So now have a look what was the writing task 1 from this image. It was graph number 178 from Makkar IELTS book. This was the charts below show the proportion of holiday makers using 3 different type of accommodations in 3 different years. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. So if you want the sample answer, then you can check from this book. For reading and listening answers that are in description, you can check from that. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.